Hey guys, today we're out St Patrick's River for day one of opening season. Just gonna see if we can get onto, well, really any fish. Just haven't been out here in ages, so really keen to give it a go. But yeah, today I'll just be using some Huey's lures. If any of you guys want to get any of them, you can get them Huey's Lures website or go on All Goods. Yeah, anyway, get back to you when I'm fishing. First brown trout of the season, guys. He's a nice fish. Look at that. I'll keep that one. Beautiful condition. Look at that. I'll just get a photo of it with my phone, but that's a beautiful fish. That is a beautiful fish. Awesome. My dad just got one here, guys. That was on the Huey's sunset. Little brown, guys. Another keeper. Just that one there, nice and fat. On the Huey's spotty dog. Awesome fish. Just in that hole there. There's all the fish there, guys. Just went out today to the St Pat's River. Ended up catching 3 browns. Saw heaps though, just all around the place. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in other videos. See yous.